Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Mercedes CLA service light. Begin with the car parked, parking brake set, and key at position 2 before you start. Use the left steering wheel menu to navigate to service or vehicle settings, then find the service interval or reset option. Confirm prompts carefully and wait for the confirmation message on the dash. Always stay patient and consult the manual for model differences. Before resetting, make sure the car is stable and nothing can roll or interfere with controls. Turn off radios, lights, and accessories so the dash responds predictably when you cycle keys. Keep both hands available to press and hold menu buttons on the steering wheel, and avoid pressing pedals or shifting gears during the process. If a fault persists after reset, record the warning and consult a technician or the owner manual. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides like this. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is a fun, compact way to add voice control and music to your garage or workshop, and it pairs nicely with hands-free car tasks. I've linked a deal in the description along with other offers, so check that out if you're curious. Now let's get back to the video. Start by turning the ignition to position 2, then access the instrument cluster menu with your steering wheel controls. Scroll to the service or vehicle settings section and highlight the service interval or maintenance reset option. Press and hold the OK or reset button until the display shows confirmation that the service light has been reset. If you see persistent warnings, stop and consult a technician or check for stored fault codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.